career mentoring platform. In this session, we will discuss the complete analysis of the Cognizant exam, okay, which was held recently, and now we will discuss the memory based questions. Okay, most of the questions were asked from these topics. Okay, first topic is data interpretation, next one is profit and loss, next one is percentages, next one is time and work, next one is trains problem, next one is boards and streams, next one is probability, next one time and distance, next one is permutations, next one is pipes and cistern, next one is progression, another one is ratio and proportion. Most of the questions comes from percentages and profit and loss. Okay, most of the questions are coming from, okay, profit and loss and percentages. Okay, let's see the memory based questions one by one. Okay, first question, find the greatest number that will divide 148, 246 and 623, leaving reminders 4, 6, 11 respectively. Means it is LCM HCF concept. Okay, greatest number is nothing but find HCF. HCF of, okay, 148 comma 246 and, okay, 623, leaving the reminders are 4, 6, 11. First subtract 148 minus 4, nothing but 140. Next one is 246 minus 6 is nothing but 240. Next one is 623 minus 11 indicates, okay, 612. These can be written as in prime factors method. These values can be written in prime factors method. 140 can be written as, okay, 2 power 4 into 3 square. Okay, 140 can be written as 2 power 4 into 3 square. Next one is 240 can be written as 2 power 4 into 3 into 5. Next one is 612 can be written as, okay, 2 square into okay, 3 square into 17. Okay, HCF of values of 140 comma, okay, 240 comma 612. We know that when the given numbers written in the prime factor, the HCF is nothing but all common base values with least power. Means all common base values means here also 2 will be appear, here also 2, here also 2, means I am writing 2. Next one is here also 3, 3, 3. 2 and 3 are the common factors in 140, 240 and 612. Remaining 5 and 7 are not, okay, not repeating. Okay, next one is least power. 2 power least is nothing but here power 4, power 2, means least value is 2. You can write 2 square. Next one is 3 square, 3 power 1, 3 square. Least value is power 1. It means 2 square indicates 4, 4 3 is 12. The HCF of, okay, 148 comma 246 and 623, when the leaves the remainder 4, 6, 11 is 12. 12 represents option B is the correct answer. Okay, 12 represents option B is the correct answer. Okay, it's clear. Next one, next question. A person travels from Chennai to Puducherry in cycle at 7.5 km per hour. Another person travels the same distance in train at a speed of 30 km per hour and reached 30 minutes earlier. Find the distance. In this case, distance will be same. Means by cycle at the same time by traveling in the train, distance will be same. We know that distance is nothing but speed into time. In both cases, we are equating speed into time. In first case, speed is 7.5 km per hour. We don't know the time, so that's why I am writing exactly t. In second case, speed is 30 km per hour into time taking is 30 minutes earlier, means we want less time, t minus 30. We are taking t minus 30. T will be in, I am taking in, we want 30 by 60, or directly you can write T in minutes. Okay, from this equation we are getting T equal to 40 minutes. From this equation we are getting T equal to 40 minutes. Okay, we want distance. You can substitute in left hand side or right hand side. I am taking left hand side. Okay, distance equal to speed into time. Speed is 7.5 into time is in minutes. You can convert hours. Okay, 7.5 into 40 by 60 indicates 7.5 into 40 is nothing but, okay, 300. 300 by 60 means 5. The distance between 2 points is 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers represents, option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Here the major key points is distance traveled by cycle, at the same time distance traveled by the train, in both cases will be equal. That's why I'm taking speed into time in LHS side, at the same time speed into time taking in the RHS side also. Okay, it's clear. Next one, the average marks of ABC is 48. When D joins, average becomes 47. E has a 3 marks more than D. Average marks of BCD. E is 48. What is the marks of A? First, you can convert the average into sum. We know that sum is nothing but average into number of. Sum is nothing but average into number of. So, sum of A plus B plus C equal to 48 into 3. Number of observations is 3, that's why I am taking 48 into 3. 48 into 3 is nothing but 144. Next one is when D joins means, so already 3 members are existing, fourth person is A plus B plus C plus D equal to average becomes 47 means 47 into number of persons is 4. 47 into 4 is nothing but the value is 188. From these two equation we are calculating, okay, we are subtracting second equation from first equation means we can cancel A, B, C. Finally, we are getting D. D value is 188 minus 144 is nothing but the value of D is 44. We know that the value of D is 44. From this D, we can calculate E value, where means E has, in the given question, E has 3 marks more than D means 44 plus 3. 44 plus 3 indicates E value is 47. Okay. Next one is average of B plus C plus D plus E equal to 48 means 48 into number of observations is 4. 48 into 4 is nothing but 192. We want A value. Okay, A value. Okay, I am adding second equation to E value means A plus B plus C plus D plus C. We know that A plus C plus D value is 188. Okay, plus E value is 47. 188 plus 47 is nothing but 235. From these two equation, okay, I am subtracting these equation to this equation. Finally, okay, B, C, D, E will be get cancelled. So A equal to 235 minus 192. Okay, 235 minus 192 is nothing but 43. The value of A is 43. 43 represents, option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Next one, next question. A can finish a work in 18 days, B can do the same work in 15 days, B worked for 10 days and left the job. In how many days A alone can finish the remaining work? Means first find out the LCM between 18 and 15. 18 comma 15. 18 comma 15 LCM is 90. Okay, whenever 90 units will occurs, the work will be completed. Okay, 90 means 18 15. 90 divided by 18 is nothing but 5 times. Okay, the efficiency of A is 5 units per day. The efficiency of B is 90 divided by 15 is nothing but 6 units per day. The work is started with B and worked for 10 days. 1 day work is 6 units, like that 10 days work is 6 into 10 is nothing but 60 units will be completed alone B. Whenever work is completed means 90 units occurs, the work will be completed. The remaining part means, remaining part of the work is nothing but 90 minus 60 indicates 30 units. The 30 units of work should be done by A. A can complete daily 5 units of the work, but we want 30 units. Time taken to complete the remaining work by A equal to 30 divided by 5 is nothing but 6 days required to complete the remaining work for A. Okay, 6 days represents option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, it's clear. This is one way of solving. You can solve in another way, that is you can write in the denominator for the total time, that is 18, another one is 15, which is equal to 1. 1 represents work should be completed. Okay, starts with B, so that's why number of days working instead of 15 he is working only 10 days. We don't know the value of A, is that's why I am taking X. From this equation also we can calculate X. X is nothing but, okay, the remaining work should be done by A. Here also we are getting same 6 days answer. Okay, this is the 1 day's work concept, this is the LCM concept. Okay, it is clear. Next one, next question. A bag contains 6 pink and 5 yellow balls. One ball is drawn randomly. What is the probability that the ball drawn is a pink? Probability is nothing but P of E equal to N of E by N of S. Probability is nothing but N of E by N of S, where N of E is the event of occurring one pink ball. N of S represents the total sample space. Total sample space is nothing but number of pink and yellow balls. 6 plus 5 is nothing but 11. We are drawn one ball, that's why I am taking 11C1. Out of 11C1 we want pink. Pink is 6, so we want draw one ball. So 6C1 divided by 11C1 is nothing but 6 by 11. 6 by 11 represents option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, it's clear. It's clear, na? It's clear. Okay, we will move to next question. In a certain city, 60% of the registered voters are Congress supporters and the rest are BJP supporters. In an assembly election, if 75% of the registered Congress supporters and 20% of the registered BJP supporters are expected to vote for candidate A, what percentage of the registered voters are expected to vote for candidate A? Suppose for example, total votes, let us assume total votes equal to X. Let us assume total votes equal to X. From this one, we can partition Congress votes and another one is BJP votes. Okay, Congress and BJP. Congress voters are 60%, remaining is nothing but, okay, BJP voters, that is 40%. Out of X, 60% is nothing but, directly you can write 60 by 100 into X. Next one is out of X, 40% are BJP, means 40 by 100 into X. The candidate A will secure, okay, 75% of the votes from the Congress, means 75 by 100 into, out of Congress voters are 60x by 100. In BJP, supporters are 20% are supporting for the candidate A. 20 by 100 into 40 by 100 into X. Okay, these are the total value for the candidate A. After calculating this value, we are getting 106x by 106x by 200. But we want percentage. We know that the percentage value is nothing but, whenever we are calculating percentage, we want two values. One is numerator, another one is denominator. Denominator represents always total. Total is X. Okay, numerator is person A. So person A secure 106x by 200, means 106x divided by 200 into 100, means x and x will cancel. Okay, two zeros get cancelled. 2 1 times, 2 5 times, 2 3 times, means 53% of the votes are, okay, secured by the candidate A. 53% represents option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Next one, next question. A number when divided successively by 4 and 5 leaves remainders 1 and 4 respectively. When it is successively divisible by 5 and 4, then the respective reminders are, we know that divisors are divisors are 4 and 5, divisors are 4 and 5, reminders are reminders are 5 and 4. Okay, you can start with from last onwards. Okay, divisor into 5x, you can write like this: 5x plus 4 into 4 plus 5. Why I am writing like this means, okay, suppose for example a number 100 is successively divisible by, okay, 2 and 7 means first 100 divided by 2, you can 250 times is exactly divisible, remainder is 0. Next again 50 is divided by 7, 50 is divided by 7 means 7 sevens 49, remainder is 1. When 100 is successively divisible by 2 and 7, reminders are 0 and 1. Like this, we don't know the number, but in reverse case, 5 into x plus 4 is nothing but is a number or dividend, whatever it may be, both are same. Again into 4, okay, plus 5 means we can substitute x equal to 1. You can substitute x equal to 1 means 5 into 1 is nothing but 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 fours 36, okay, 36, okay, 9 fours 36, sorry, reminders are 1 and 4, okay, 36 plus 1 is nothing but 37, the value is 37. When 37 is successively divisible by 5 and 4 means 37 divided by 5, 5 5 5 sevens 35, remainder is 3, remainder is 2. Next one is 7 divided by 4 means 4 one time is 4, remainder is 3. When 37 is successively divisible by 5 and 4, reminders are 2 and 3. 2 and 3 represents option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B is the correct answer. It is clear? Okay, next one. Next question. The average salary of 17 teachers is, okay, 45,000. 3 teachers left and the average salary dropped by 25,000. What is the sum of the salary of 3 teachers who left? We know that sum is nothing but average into number of. We know that sum is nothing but average into number of. 17 teachers sum equal to 17 teachers sum equal to number of persons is 17, average is 45,000. 17 into 45, 17 into 45 is nothing but, okay, 765, again 3 zeros means 7,65,000, 7,16,000. When 3 teachers are left, 3 teachers are left means total 17 members, 3 members are left means remaining members are 14 members. Again we are calculating 14 members sum equal to, okay, number of persons is 14 into, okay, number of persons is 14 into average is 2500 decreased means 45,000 minus 2500 into 14, which is equal to, we are getting 5,95,500. This is the sum of 17 teachers, this is the sum of 14 students. From these two equations we are getting 3 teachers, those who are left, okay, 3 teachers sum equal to, subtract from first one to second one, 7,65,000 minus 5,95,500 indicates, okay, indicates 1,70,000, 1,70,000, 1,70,000, 1,70,000 represents option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next one. Next question. A alone can do 1/4 of the work in 2 days. B alone can do 2/3 of the work in 4 days. Okay, if all the 3 work together, they can complete the work in 3 days. So what part of the work will be completed by C in 12 days? A, 1/4 of the work for he wants 2 days, but total work means, okay, A equal to 2 into 4 by 1 is nothing but 8 days required for the complete work. Similarly, B wants 2/3 of the work for 4 days for complete work means 4 into 3 by 2 means 2 ones 2 twos. They want 6 days time for the complete the work alone. Next one is A plus B plus C, both all three together complete the work in 3 days. Find the LCM of 8 6 and 4, sorry, 8 6 3. 24 is the LCM, 24 is the LCM. Okay, 24 divided by 8 is nothing but 3 units per day, the efficiency of A. 24 divided by 6 is nothing but, okay, 4 units per day, this is the efficiency of B. Next one is efficiency of A plus B plus C. 24 divided by 3 is nothing but 8 units per day. From this one we are calculating efficiency of C. 8 minus 3 minus 4 is nothing but 1. C will complete every day 1 unit of the work, but we want total work to complete. ఓకే, మనకు మొత్తం టైం ఎంత టైం కావాలి రిక్వైర్మెంట్ కంప్లీట్ వర్క్ చేయడానికి. సో టైం రిక్వైర్డ్ టు కంప్లీట్ ద వర్క్ అలోన్ మీన్స్ C ఈక్వల్ టు 24 by 1 means he wants 24 days time for the work to complete alone. 24 days కావాలి కంప్లీట్ వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి. అయితే ఇన్ 2 డేస్లో ఎంత పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్క్ మాత్రం కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు అంటున్నాడు. 1 డేలో 1/24 పార్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే 2 డేస్లో 2/24 is nothing but 1/12. 1/12 represents option A is the correct answer. 2 డేస్లో ఎంత పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు అంటే 1/12 పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్క్ను సి అలోన్గా కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ నా? ఏ 1/4 ఆఫ్ ది వర్క్కు 2 డేస్ టైం ఇచ్చాడు, మనం కంప్లీట్ వర్క్కు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సిమిలర్లీ బి కూడా 2/3 ఆఫ్ ది వర్క్కు టైం ఇచ్చారు, మనం కంప్లీట్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం. దెన్ ఎల్సిఎం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎల్సిఎం నుంచి ఇండివిజువల్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ వన్ 2 డేస్లో ఎంత పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది చెక్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Babla alone can do a piece of work in 10 days. Ashu alone can do it in 15 days. The total wages for the work is 5,000. How much should Babla be paid off? They work together for entire duration of work antunnanu. Same, first find the LCM of 10 and 15. LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Okay, from this one we can calculate the efficiency. Efficiency is 3 units per day. Next one is 2 units per day. 2 units per day. Next one is 3 units per day. A ఎవ్రీ డే 3 యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు, బి 2 యూనిట్స్ పర్ డేలా కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు. అయితే ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏమంటున్నాం, ఓకే, ద టోటల్ వేజెస్ ఫర్ ది వర్క్ ఈజ్ 5,000. ఓకే, ఎఫిషియన్సీ 3 + 2 ఈజ్ 5 parts. 5 parts ఈక్వల్ టు టోటల్ అమౌంట్ ఈజ్ 5,000 rupees. ఫర్ 1 day for both of them getting, okay, 5 parts equal to 5,000, 1 part equal to 1,000 rupees. We want first person Babla efficiency 3 units per day. So we want 3 parts. For 1 part 1,000 rupees, for 3 parts it is 3,000 rupees. Okay, Babla getting 3,000 rupees as a wage for his work. 3,000 represents option B is the correct answer. Okay, ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ 3 యూనిట్స్ పర్ డే లాగా కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు, సెకండ్ పర్సన్ 2 యూనిట్స్ పర్ డే లాగా కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు. వాళ్ళ ఎంటైర్ వర్క్కు 5,000 రూపీస్ అమౌంట్ అనేది మనం పేమెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, 1 పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది వర్క్ కనుక్కుంటున్నాం, 1 పార్ట్ కనుక్కుంటున్నాం. దెన్ బాబ్లా రిప్రజెంట్స్ 3 యూనిట్స్. సో 1 పార్ట్కు 3,000 అయితే 3 పార్ట్స్కు 3,000 రూపీస్ అన్న. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ క్లియర్. 3,000 రిప్రజెంట్స్ ఆప్షన్ బి ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ అన్న. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Raj travels a part of journey by taxi paying 15 per kilometer and rest by train paying 21 per kilometer. Okay, if he travels a total of 450 kilometer and pays rupees 8130, then the distance traveled by Ross in train is అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, టోటల్ 450 కిలోమీటర్ జర్నీ చేస్తున్నాం ఇది దేంట్లో చేస్తున్నామన్నా, వన్ ఈజ్ ట్రైన్, అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ అ ట్యాక్సీ. ఓకే, టూ వేస్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నాం, వన్ ఈజ్ ట్రైన్, అనదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ట్యాక్సీ. లెట్ అస్ అజ్యూమ్ ట్రైన్లో ఎక్స్ కిలోమీటర్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నాడు అనుకుంటే, ఓకే ట్యాక్స్ వచ్చేసి ఓకే 450 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ కిలోమీటర్స్ అన్న. ట్రైన్కి వచ్చేసి కాస్ట్ వచ్చేసి 21 రూపీస్ అన్న. ఓకే, ట్యాక్సీకి వచ్చేసి 15 రూపీస్ అన్న. టోటల్ అమౌంట్ ఎంత అంటే 8113 అన్న. సో ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ 21 ప్లస్ 450 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ 15 రూపీస్ పర్ కిలోమీటర్ అన్న. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ how much distance traveled by the train nana. So x value we are getting 230 nana. X equal to 230. Okay, 230 represents 230 kilometers nana. 230 represents option A is the correct answer. 230 represents option A is the correct answer nana. It is clear? It is clear nana? Next question Anna. If M is 30% of Q, Q is 20% of P, comma N is 50% of P, then M by N equal to question mark Anna. First find the relation between M to Q. M to Q means M equal to 30% of Q means M by Q equal to 30 by 100, means that implies M is to Q are in the ratio of 3 is to 10 nana. First condition. Second condition, relation between Q to P. Q to P is 20%. 20 by 100 indicates 1 by 5 nana. 1 by 5. This means Q to P is 1 is to 5. Here the common parameter is P, sir, Q. So the value of Q is not in the same nana. Just cross multiply the whole function nana into 1 into 10 nana, means same here 3 is to 10. Here we are getting 10 is to 15 nana. From this equation we are getting M is to Q is to P. M is to Q is to P equal to 3 is to 10 is to 15 nana. Next one, third condition is N is to P. N is 50% of P, means 50 by 100, that is nothing but 1 by 2 nana. This can be written as N is to P equal to 1 is to 2. Here P is the common parameter nana. The value of P is not in the same nana. So complete function should be multiplied by into 25 nana. Automatically it will be same, means 25 is to 50. First one also 50 nana. Finally we are adding M is to Q is to P is to N equal to, okay, 3 is to 10 is to, okay, 50 is to 25. But we want M by N nana. We want M by N. M value is 3 parts. Okay, N value is 25 parts. So the value of M by N is 3 by 25 nana. The value of M by N is 3 by 25. 3 by 25 represents option B is the correct answer nana. Option B is the correct answer nana. Option B is the correct answer nana. It is clear nana. Next one nana. Next question. Walking at 3/4 of his normal speed, Mike is 16 minutes late in reaching his office. The usual time taken by him to cover the distance between his home and office is అంటున్నాను. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ టైం గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, ఇక్కడ స్పీడ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. వీ నో దట్ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ స్పీడ్ అండ్ టైమ్ స్పీడ్ ఈజ్, ఓకే, స్పీడ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ద టైమ్ టేకింగ్. Speed is inversely proportional to the time taking. Here the given data is new speed equal to 3/4 of original speed original speed okay, this means new by original equal to in the ratio of 3 by 4 nana. This is speed nana. I want time nana. This value should be converted into time means reverse nana, or in the ratio of 4 by 3 nana. Whenever we are getting more or less or late, early, you can find the difference nana. Difference of 4 comma 3 is 1 part. 1 part equal to 16 minutes nana. But we want the usual time. The usual time is nothing but original. Original time represents how many parts? 3 parts. Okay, 1 part is 16 minutes, 3 parts is 48 minutes. 48 minutes. 48 represents option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. It is clear, Nana? Is there any doubts, Nana? Okay, it's clear. Next question వెళ్దాం నాన్న. Next question వెళ్తున్నాం. The least number which when divided by 48, 60, 72, 108 and 140 leaves 38, 50, 62, 98 and 130 as a reminders respectively. Means, okay, we know that LCM minus a common difference. The answer is LCM minus common difference. First find the LCM of 48, 60, 72, 108, 140. The LCM of this value is 15120. LCM of this value is 15120. Next step is common difference. Common difference is nothing but 48 remainder is 38. For 60 remainder is 50. Okay, next one is 72 remainder is 62. For 108 remainder is 98. For 140 remainder is 130. Just find the difference, Nana. Difference 48 minus 38 is nothing but 10. 60 minus 50 is nothing but 10. Again 10, 10, 10. This is the common difference, Nana. Just substitute, Nana. 15120 minus a 10 is indicates a 15110. 15110. 15110 represents option B is the correct answer, Nana. Okay, when the reminders are different, okay, our answer will be LCM minus common difference, Nana. Reminders అనేవి డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటే మన ఆన్సర్ LCM minus common difference, Nana. Okay, when the reminders are same, LCM plus అక్కడ రిమైండర్స్ ఏదైతే ఉందో సేమ్ రిమైండర్ అన్న అక్కడ రాయాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అన్న. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, the average temperature of June, July and August was 31 degrees. Nana. Convert the sum, Nana. We know that sum is nothing but average into number of, Nana. Convert the average into sum, Nana. Sum is nothing but average into number of, Nana. So June, July, then next one is August equal to 31, Nana. 31 into 3, Nana. Number of observation. 31 into 3 is nothing but 93, Nana. Next continuation, the average temperature of July, okay, August and September equal to 30 degrees, 30 into 3 means 90 degrees, 90 degree. If the temperature of the June was 30 degrees, June equal to 30 degrees, okay, this June value should be substituted in the first equation, we are getting July and August, July and August equal to 93 minus 13, 93 minus 13, is nothing but 63, Nana. This 63 value should be substituted in second equation, Nana. Means in place of July and August we are going to substitute 63 value, Nana. We are getting September. September equal to 90 minus 63. 90 minus 63 is nothing but, okay, 90 minus 63 indicates 27. Okay, we want find the temperature of the September. September is 27, and 27 represents option C is the correct answer, Nana. Option C is the correct answer, Nana. It is clear, Nana. Option C is the correct answer, Nana. Okay, next one, Nana. Next question. Mr. Kapoor purchased two toy cycles for 750 each. He sold these cycles gaining 6% on one and losing 4% on the other. The gain or loss percent in the whole transaction అంటున్నాను. టూ సైకిల్స్ పర్చేజ్ చేస్తున్నాం అన్న. సపోజ్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ 750 రూపీస్ అన్న. సిమిలర్లీ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ది సెకండ్ వన్ ఆల్సో 750 అన్న. బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ means total cost price Anna. From this equation I am calculating total cost price. Total cost price is nothing but 750 plus 750 Anna. 750 plus 750 is nothing but 1500 rupees is the total cost price. For the first one selling at gain of 6% means 750 into 106 by 100 Anna. Selling price should be plus 100 plus Anna when profit occurs Anna. 100 మైనస్ అన్న వెన్ లాస్ అక్కర్స్ అన్న. ప్రాఫిట్ అక్కర్ అయితే ప్లస్ అన్న, లాస్ అయితే మైనస్ అన్న. 750 ఇంటూ 106/100 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 795 అన్న. ఇన్ సెకండ్ కేస్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ విల్ బి లాస్ అక్కర్స్ అన్న 4% అన్న. 750 ఇంటూ 100 మైనస్ 4 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 96 అన్న. 750 ఇంటూ 96/100 ఇండికేట్స్ 720 అన్న. 720 అన్న. ఓకే, total SP nana, I am calculating total SP nana. Total SP equal to 795 plus 720 nana, which indicates 15 nana. 15. The cost price is 1500 nana. Selling price is 15 nana. So profit occurs nana. Percentage of the profit equal to 15 minus 1500 means 15 rupees by cost price is 1500 into 100 nana. Into 100 percentage na. 2 zeros get cancelled. 15 one times, 15 one time mean 1% profit na. 1% of profit. 1% profit represents gain or profit, both are same na. Option B is the correct na. Option B is the correct na. It is clear na. Okay, 15 minus 1500 indicates 15 rupees na. This is the profit na. Percentage of the profit is nothing but profit by cost price into, okay, profit by cost price into 100 nana. Profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price nana. Okay, next question nana. Next question, a fruit seller buys 240 apples for rupees 600. Some of these apples are rotten and are thrown away. He sells the remaining apples at rupees 3.50 each and makes a profit of rupees 198. The percentage of apples thrown away are అంటున్నాడు. మన టోటల్ 240 యాపిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 240 యాపిల్స్లో రొటీన్ ఉన్నాయన, నాన్ రొటీన్ ఉన్నాయన. అయితే రొటీన్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని పక్కన పడేస్తున్నాం. ఓన్లీ నాన్ రొటీన్ మాత్రమే సేల్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ నాన్ రొటీన్ సేల్ చేయడం వల్ల కూడా మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుంది. ఈ 240 యాపిల్స్కి మనం స్పెండ్ చేసిన అమౌంట్ ఎంత అంటే 600 రూపీస్. ఓన్లీ సమ్ రొటీన్ యాపిల్స్ని పక్కన పడేసిన ఓన్లీ నాన్ రొటీన్ యాపిల్స్ నుంచి మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చేసి 198 రూపీస్ వస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది ప్రాఫిట్ మీన్స్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. అంటే 600 ప్లస్ 198 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 798 రూపీస్. ఓకే, టోటల్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ అనా. ఓకే, టోటల్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఎంత అంటే 798. ఈచ్ యాపిల్ కాస్ట్ వచ్చేసి 3.5 రూపీస్ అన్న. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యాపిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నాన్ రొటీన్ యాపిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 798 డివైడెడ్ బై 3.5 అన్న. 798 divided by 3.5. 3.5 represents 228 apples are non-routine అన్న. In case routine apples కావాలి అంటే 240 minus 228 అన్న. 240 minus 228 indicates 12 అన్న. ఓకే, 12 apples are routine. We want percentage అన్న. Percentage routine apples equal to okay 12 divided by total number of apples are 240. 12 by 240 into 100. Okay, into 100 percentage అన్న. Percentage means 12 1 times 12. Okay, 12 1 times 12 20 times అన్న. 12 1 times 12 20 times 21 times. Okay, 21 times 5 times nana means 5% nana 5% represents option B is the correct answer nana. Option B is the correct answer nana. Manam total apples percentage of apples are thrown away means 5% apples are thrown away nana. Okay, that's all for today's session nana. I hope this analysis helps for your preparation nana. Thank you.